Why did you become a lawyer?
Truth is, my dad wanted to be a lawyer, but he was born in 1917, and he remembers his father telling him what bankruptcy meant, because dad had a little grocery store, and in the Depression era, it went broke, and so he moved to the big city, and one thing followed another. Then he went to the war. Michael, he never got to do what he wanted to do.
Nowhere to live, and 2 boys, and I needed help.
The Atlanta Volunteer Lawyers Foundation is to coordinate the provision of free legal services to the poor of Atlanta through the volunteer efforts of private lawyers.
Pro bono means for the public good. There is no obligation in Georgia that lawyers spend 1 second and 1 dime on free legal work. This job, working for the Atlanta Volunteer Lawyers Foundation, I can't imagine doing anything else in the area of law. In fact, Michael, I quit the practice of law for about 3 years. I've been a litigator. Everyone seemed to lose in the justice system. My clients would hire me and I would try and get them a result, which was what we thought was fair and balanced and what they needed. It's not what they wanted. What they wanted was for me to be a street fighter. They wanted me to go to war. They spend all their time and their energy and their money on battling against something for, blood, which you can't get through the legal process. So I never felt satisfied. I wanted out. I did something else for a few years. And when this job opened, and I thought, here's where I belong. And I've been for 16 years. People take their law licenses, their legal education, and do a stunning number of things. If I may, I'm very proud of the profession. And you go into particularly the smaller towns, but even in Atlanta and some of the other towns, who's the head of the zoning commission? Who's the head of the board of education? Who's going to be involved in the teacher association? It's going to be lawyers. Lawyers get engaged in the
Right. Who's the candidate for various offices?
The mayor in Atlanta. Look how many lawyers are running. So my point is, there's a lot of ways to be satisfied practicing law, some of which have to do with actually representing clients in litigation. But there's a million good opportunities for lawyers, and a lot of them have to do with serving people who otherwise don't have access to the legal system, don't have a voice in the legal system, don't understand the legal system. Look, we're a profession which has said to the world, we got this, we'll govern ourselves. And we have a very high obligation to do it the right way. And I can't even pretend that it's a user-friendly system. If you're not a lawyer, you're already at a disadvantage when you walk into the legal system.
It gave me some stability too, because at least I know somebody listened to my story. At least I know somebody cared.